Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Fedora. While Roblox does not officially support Linux, the community has developed clever ways to get it running. We'll dive into two popular methods: Grape Juice, which uses a compatibility layer, and Sober, which leverages the mobile version. Our goal is to help you enjoy your favorite Roblox experiences on your Fedora system with minimal fuss. Before we begin, let's ensure your Fedora system is ready. First, always keep your operating system fully updated for optimal performance and security. Next, you'll need Flatpak installed, as it simplifies the installation of our chosen tools. Roblox generally requires a processor from 2005 or newer, at least 1 GB of RAM, and a graphics card with DirectX 10 support or higher. Checking these basics will set you up for success. Compatibility layers, like Wine, offer an alternative by allowing Windows applications to run on Mac OS without needing a complete Windows installation. Programs such as Porting Kit further simplify this process, making it easier to get Fallout New Vegas up and running. While this method uses less storage, performance can sometimes vary, and you might encounter occasional graphical quirks. It is a great option for those seeking a lighter footprint. To ensure the best gameplay experience, remember a few key tips. Regularly update Grape Juice or Sober through Flatpak to benefit from the newest compatibility improvements. If you encounter performance issues, try lowering Roblox's in-game graphics settings. For any specific challenges, the Linux gaming community is a fantastic resource. Many users share solutions for common problems. With these steps, you should be enjoying Roblox on Fedora in no time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.